What's going on, Matt? Today we're gonna do something different, right? This will be very introductory, but most important skill set, which I believe. Um, so on the previous recording, I used Tmux, Obsidian Vim, Terminator, Cherry Tree. I mentioned about it, but I really didn't tell you how to use those items. So this time, I'm gonna start fresh, right? This is my Kali Linux 2021, whatever is it most recent VMware release. I'm gonna utilize this to kind of walk you through how I'm gonna set up Tmux in Obsidian and do a little bit of exercise or just use a little bit on Vim, Tmux, and Obsidian. Just mainly so you can get used to it, right? Instead of watching it and watch me blah. So you're gonna start with Kali, and let's open it up. Bum 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 bum. As usual, here's Dragon. So very first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna. I hope the screen is big enough. Or get a glass, man. Glasses. Password. Oh, yeah. Current password, which is Kali. New password. And retype that. My password is so secret it doesn't even show up here, which is good. So very first thing you do is that we change the password, mainly because I don't like I don't like used ones and whatever. That's next thing. Next thing we're gonna do is using Tmux. Let's see why Tmux, right? You have Terminator. Do we have Terminator on this one? Terminator. Oh, I hate. Did I ever tell you I hate G shell? Terminator. Mainly because I'm not used to it. As soon as the Terminator, there's no Terminator, and the program asked me back. Do you want to install it? So I guess kind of this is actually I don't mind G shell or whatever shell this is, but this is really cool. But I also can see that like negative effect of it, like before with the bash I had to type sudo app install Terminator. Now it kind of it automates, which is cool and bad, but whatever, I'll go with it. Enter. Yes, what's my password? My secret password. And yeah, why not? 3 megabytes. Yay, here we go. Terminator opened up. So you gotta, for this one, in order for you to split the screen, let's make this smaller. Let's make this one bigger. So this is our Terminator shell. You gotta use your mouse to split, or open a new tab, right? Or can you open a pane? Yeah. So you can work like that, right? Which is cool. But during our session, I will use Tmux. Yay. Message from developers. Yeah, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Do this to hide this message. I absolutely hide it. Hush login. No. Hush login. Let's get out. Let's try again. Yay, the message is gone. So here we go. We have Tmux here. But this time we're going to do slightly different. We're not going to just use regular Tmux. I mean, you can use it, if you like and prefer it. but I actually prefer let's see, is it Tmux? Yeah, I exit out of it. Firefox ampersand. We are going to use, here's Tmux configuration, config, GitHub. Boom, 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 boom. This guy, GPEC, whatever. And here's prettier Tmux, prettier version of Tmux. Why are we using this? Mainly because it's prettier, you know, and it's a lot more. I like it. I mean, I don't know why, but I prefer this one. And I'll save this link and put it on somewhere. Where's my terminal? Here we go. Beam note. What's today? 2021-07. Ooh, 21-07-01. Yeah, and exit out of it. I'll save it and share it later. So it has clear, good description to install. Enter. Run the following from your terminal. You may want to back up your existing Tmux comp. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to CD, whatever. Lisa, do we have Tmux? Grab Tmux. We don't have Tmux. Right, how about Tmux.com? Yeah, I don't think I have Tmux in my home directory. CD, Lisa, yeah. Beam. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. So I guess I don't have Tmux configuration here. Or update DB. Sudo update DB. Then I'm gonna do locate star tmux.conf. Okay, example. So I guess like it doesn't. Mine does not have Tmux. So whatever. Then makes our life easier. Copy CD. Then command follow. Git clone. So basically, I'm cloning this GitHub page or repository. Then I'm gonna make a link to here and copy that to here. So as you can see, all I have done was copy and paste from here to bottom. And let's see if our Tmux gets better. Pa-bam! And our Tmux got a lot better. The benefit of it, like, you can do split, you can do vertical split, and you can do whatever you want within a reasonable parameters. So I want you to play with it, and I want you to kind of work with it. So one thing to remember is that here the switch is that like basically it's like a command like to split before you press in. Oh, I'm sorry, prefix. Prefix means that Control A. So why Control A matters? So within a regular Tmux, the prefix is Control B as a beta, alpha. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. Bravo, right? Alpha Bravo. That's right. So Control A, and with the original initial vanilla Tmux. Control V to add a switch prefix, versus with this model you can do Control A to do whatever you want to do, right? Like Control A, Shift, comma, or vertically split, or you can use the dash sign right next to 0. Control A, Shift, underscore is a vertical, and Control A and regular, that just dash is that like you're gonna split vertically. Like this. Or so if you want to create a new pane, you're gonna do Control A and C to create it. Right now, because I cannot make it bigger so much, but hard to see it. But if you see the bottom of it, right here, right, you can see that we got a new pane. So if you want to go to number 1 pane or panel, whatever, you're gonna press Control A and 1, or with the number, or you also can do Control A and yeah, Control A and number sounds a lot better than anything else. So there's that. Also, you can create a panel with the Control A, Shift, and quote, double quote, right? You can control the size of the panel. Is that how you say it? Panel or whatever section? Let's check it before I give you wrong information. Pane. Okay, so terminology. This is window and this is pane. So you can control the size of the pane. So let's say you wanna change the size of the bottom pane smaller. You're gonna press Control A, then click Shift, and using your arrow key, you can make it smaller. Right? Supposed to. Oh. I guess not. Huh? What just happened? Okay. That's weird. Huh, I guess it's slightly different here. How do I size? Alright, let's maximize. Resize. Oh, okay, so I gotta ditch the arrow key. We gotta use the HJKL. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, there we are. Not sure why the arrow button doesn't work anymore, but whatever. We'll go with JKL, whatever. So here, let's start over. Let's make it cleaner. So we come to the bottom shell, clear it, clear, or Control L. We're gonna change the size by Control A, Shift, and K, and J, Julu, right? So, yeah, that's better. Cool. So, during our testing, right, our basic setup will be like this. So, this will be our main working pane, right? And this will be our target IP, and this will be our host IP. So, for your target IP, you will manually type as, this is our target, and 192, where's my numbers at? Alright, pound target 192.168.1.1, right? And let it hang it there. Then we're gonna change our page to the right side by pressing Control Alpha and right arrow key. Now you're on the right hand side. We're gonna have IP header. We're gonna pipe that to grab tune 0, or whatever our interface with the our hacking platform, hacking server, right? So IP header for right now, we're gonna do East 0. Booyah! I guess I deleted it, but whatever. Yeah. So you see what I mean. So again, this will be our main working panel pane. You're gonna Control A, Shift underscore Shift Control A and dash to make a vertical pane, split in vertical. And I'm gonna press Control A and click Julu to make it, bring it down, right? Okay. Then we're gonna put target IP here, and then we're gonna enter, right? And I'm gonna let it hang it there. I'm gonna Control A and I'm gonna split vertically by clicking Shift underscore it, right? So this will be IP header and grab tune or whatever. Grab our internet IP address and let it hang there as well. So we're gonna maneuver through each pane by clicking Control A and arrow key. Control A, arrow, Control A, arrow, Control A, arrow. If you don't have arrow key, you can maneuver through each pane by clicking a HJKL, right? But I use arrow key just because I have that kind of luxury. And you can have more information here, right? This is like all given to you. Just remember, if you install this version, your prefix will be Control A or Control B, but I like Control A better, but you can use whatever you want. That's our simple Tmux, and whenever you create a Tmux new Windows, you're going to do Control A and C at Charlie. Ta-da! As you can see, number 4, force Windows open in order for you to go back to 1, Control A, 1. So there are times that you accidentally exit out from Tmux, right? Control X, or let's see, exit, or Control AX, kill pane 1. I guess whatever. But so if sometimes you will lose all your Tmux, like here Tmux exited, or you gotta do is a Tmux attach session, and usually if there's a live session going on, you'll have your session back. But this time I don't have the session, so whatever. So one tip: don't start your Tmux from sudo. Try to start from the just regular Kali lower privilege, which makes less vulnerable when your attack gets attacked. But whatever. That's what I think. So that's a Tmux setup. Now we're gonna moving into Obsidian. Yay! In note taking. Here we go, Obsidian. A second brain for you, forever. What a strong word, but I really like it. Let's save that as well. Let's open a Vim notes and shove it in there. Oh, you want that? Tmux configuration. There you are. And next is that Obsidian. Here we go. Vim. So this time we're gonna let this hang. We're gonna let this Vim session hang, and we're gonna name it. Not you. Control A and comma. There we go. Vim session. And so you can change your title of the Windows or pane, whatever, by pressing Control A, your prefix, and comma. Yeah, so Control A, comma, and you're gonna rename and press Enter. You can rename it, which kind of comes in handy later. But this time what we're gonna do is we are in a process of inserting Obsidian. Control A, C, and go back to the Firefox. I don't want a new tab. There we are. Get Obsidian for Linux at Mish. There we are. We are downloading it. It's only like, how big is it? 86. Oh, that came quickly. Okay. Yeah, second brain. Where's the installation guide? Obsidian publish. Oh, okay, never mind. Community. Yeah. Obsidian note-taking installation guide Linux. Is this same page install? Okay, let's see. File Obsidian. I guess it's a executable. That's interesting. Mod plus X. 744, right? 744 Obsidian. Okay, so that's interesting. So you don't really need to insert, just you download it and execute it, which is very cool. But we kind of want to use like Obsidian and just we want to load Obsidian from any folder, right? Let's go to CD, whatever. Obsidian. Yeah. So how we do that? Let's see. Echo. Imp. Oh, I'm sorry. Echo path. User looker sbin, user sbin, local bin. Okay. So if we can move that to one of those locations, we will pretty much use it from anywhere. Or do we have local folder? Yeah. Share. Share. If we place here, will it work? Let's try that. I'm going to move home, Kali, downloads, Obsidian. I'm going to add Obsidian. Let's see if we can call it from anywhere else. Let's go to home directory or whatever. Obsidian. Obsidian. Yay. Okay, so because echo path. So our location, which is the local share, is not in the path. That's not gonna happen. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get the file and put it in either SBIN or one up location here. I kind of want to put it in here, user local bin. Let's see. Let's do that. Move here. I'm gonna local share Obsidian. I'm gonna place in user local SBIN, and there. Permission denied because I'm not sudo. I was sudo. Kali, Kali, password for Kali. I just changed it, right? Yeah, there we go. So let's see. Let's try. Obsidian. Bam! So we got Obsidian here. Oh my gosh, that was a little bit of workout, right? So that's our Obsidian panel or screen or application, whatever right terminology you want to use, right? We are going to create a new vault. I guess vault is like folder or whatever. So it kind of, yeah, it's basically where your notes and your screenshot will be located at. So I'm gonna create. I'm gonna name it. What's a good name for it? I am very blended person, and I'll be name as notes. Location. I'll place this in my home directory. Desktop documents, under documents, and I will make a new folder saying note hackerbox on hacking underscore notes. That sounds a lot better. Yeah, I have a terrible sense. You can judge me, yeah. So both name is a hacking underscore notes, and location is like located in the documents. And here, and I'm gonna create it, and I created it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna copy and paste the notes from the Vim session and place in here. How are we gonna do it? Let's see. So I will use, for our entire session, we'll use the hacking Obsidian. First thing I do, spell check. Yeah, I'm not. English is my second native. That doesn't sound right. Second language, right? It's not my native tongue. So I want to get benefit of like spell check or grammar check and everything, right? But unfortunately, this one only has spell check, so I'm going to use that. Place right there. There's no file is open, so basically there's nothing, no folders or nothing is there. Just want to give you a quick heads up for our entire journey. We are going to use Obsidian, and the screen is relatively smaller, so I don't know how to fix this. And page preview, whatever. We'll use this as our guide, right? Not guide, we'll use this note-taking, this file from our next 90-day journey. So let's open a folder. So you're going to see on your left upper corner, you're going to see 3 different switches. One is a new note, second one is a new folder, and the other one is a change sort order. On the left hand side, I'll let you play with it, but for now, let's do this. I'm going to make a folder, and I'm going to date it as today's date, 21/07, 21, now it's 1/01, right, July 1st, and name it as Tmux, Obsidian, and Vim. Bam. That's our folder. And we're going to make a new note under there. So as you can see, it is titled admin notes. Is it big enough? I hope it's big enough, but I highly doubt this will show in your screen. So that sucks. In order for you to write something, you can just kind of place your cursor in the middle and start typing. We're gonna name this as the name of the documents. We're gonna a single pound sign means like you're gonna make it's basically a subject line, admin notes, right? We're gonna copy and paste whatever we have in here. We cannot really drag and drop, so I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna keep note and see if I can grab it from here. All right, there we go. Control Shift Charlie and paste. Ta-da! Is it big enough? All right. Instead of asking that, let's see. Obsidian note taking bigger characters. Okay. Larger screen. Honestly, I'm not sure where to look for. Okay, I'll pass on that. Maybe you can figure it out and let me know. Help. Yeah, I need help. Start here. Customization, appearance, custom theme, transparency, custom hotkey, how to add, change, embedding, folding, format your notes, manage attachment, appearance. Yeah, because I like dark font size. Let's make it bigger. There you are. Yay, bigger, bigger, bigger. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's it. Can you save it? I don't think there's any save button. That's cool. Has it been like getting bigger? Oh, that's cool. Backlink. Exit out. No, that's we'll close. Oh yeah, collapse. Collapse sounds better. Preview. More options. Honestly, no clue. So I'm gonna move on. Screw that. So there's an Obsidian, right? Next thing we're gonna use is Vim. Why Vim, right? You have Nano or like some better tools, but like some of the text box might not have Nano. You may have Vi or Vim or something really basic text editor. So yeah, let's use Vim. So it's going to be a stiff learning process, but once you have those skill sets on handy, it will be a lot better for you because it will make your life so easy. So here, simple, just type Vim note, right? As you can see, whatever, we can use Shift key to up and down, come and down. I'm not going to cover entire command keys and whatever, but just want to give you a quick heads up of like quick use of how I use it. So I usually use just to edit it, start with I, to insert, type whatever, right? If you don't like this entire line, go back, press escape, so you're not going to see any insert line there, right? Press D twice, fast, bam bam, and it's gone, bam bam. You can delete multiple line, right? By, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You go up and you press 10, whatever number, or you're gonna do 5 and delta delta quickly. Then 5 lines will be gone, as you can see. In order for you to save it, press escape, right? Nothing here, whatever. What is this? Yeah, and W. All of a sudden my brain doesn't really tell me what's this. Colon, oh my gosh. I need to copy. You're gonna press colon and W to save it. If you don't want to save it, colon Q to get out. Let's go back. Let's say you want to go to whatever 7th line, right? /7. Pattern not found. Oh, I'm sorry. Colon 7. Yeah, there we go. Colon 1. As you can see, my scroll moved. /Obsidian. It'll bring you to the there you go. So basically, it'll take you to the find page. So this is / is like your find command, you know. Please bring me to the whatever this word looking at. Then I guess you gotta press / again and enter to go to whatever next word. That's about it, right? There's nothing really significant I do with the Vim. There's much more things you can do. It's just that I'm not the Vim expert. I'm just good at, I just know just certain things right here and there. But when it comes down to testing Linux boxes, Vim is really good. I mean, it's valuable. So there we go. We had a quick tutorial about what we're gonna do, right? What tools we're gonna use, right? In FX64 and command line here, Vim by editor. Here we go. By command line insert. So here's a bunch of switches and editing command. I'm gonna share this with you here as well. So I'll find a way to share these notes with you. But so far, this is it, and this is my recording for today. Sometime later, we're gonna set up a realistic goal, but that's kind of towards later. Did it? Don't ask again. Yeah. So have fun, dude. Favor. Try to use Tmux, set up Tmux, Obsidian, Vim, and get used to it. You practice whatever. You're really good at English. I know you have one of masters in English, which is I'm quite envy about it. You can write a poet or whatever on Vim using Tmux, right? And place it in Obsidian and see how that works. And get used to it. Do more practice, man. Alright, today is done, or this session is done, and I'll catch you later. Bye, Matt.